Hi friends, this is Muhammad Jibran and welcome to our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll be learning about the lists. Lists are pretty useful in any programming language where you would like to store a collection of data. So let me say you have a list of marks. So usually if it is a normal variable, you store values like this, but since it is not a variable, this is a list, we'll add the values, or will insert the values making a group. So just imagine it like that, like this, that you are creating a group. You are declare saying that this is a group by using these two square brackets, and between that you can give your values, and this one. So I've got four values in my list marks. So if I hit enter, no problem. If I try to print this, it says that I have got four values in my marks list, or for the people who are coming from C++ kind of environment, for them they will call it as an arrays, a kind of arrays. Okay, so now suppose if I wanted to access a specific element in my marks list, how can I do that? Again, I can do that using my position. Just like in my string here, also 56 is not at the first position, it's at the 0th position, because computer starts from everything in computer starts from 0. So if I say marks of 0, it prints out 56. If I say 89, if I want to print 89, I will say marks of 2 and it will give me 89. Suppose if I wanted to edit this or modify this, so how can I do that? That is very simple. I can just write marks of 1 will be equal to 98, and if I hit enter, and then if I type marks, then it changes the value at the position first. See, 36 got changed to 98. So this is how you can change the value. And now suppose if you wanted to edit two values at the same time. Suppose if you wanted to make the any two numbers, or everything before the second position as equal to 0. So for that, just made a mistakes. Let me just do something like this. Everything before 2 should be made as 0, 0, because we are having only values. For that, if I say marks, it says 0, 0, 89, 88. Okay, so this is how you can change the values directly. You can change the values. This how we swapped only one value, and you can change the multiple values like this. Suppose if you wanted to add one more value into this array, so how you can do that? That's very simple. You can say marks and say 32 and say enter, and you can see you have one more element added to your list. But this will not be permanent. If I again print this list, so this will give me till 58. So how can I add this variable permanently? So for that, we need to do something like this: marks dot append, and within this you have to give the element like 65, and then if you print it, it gets added, and type again, you get that 65 permanently stored into that list. Suppose if you wanted to delete the elements from the list, so how can you do that? I can just simply say everything before 2 should be empty. I don't want to have those two elements. I will remove that. So now if I say marks, you can see only three elements are present. Now if you completely want to delete this complete list, what you can do, use the complete string from beginning to end and make it equal to null string. So now if I print uh, marks, this shows me that there is nothing in my list. So this was just an introduction to list. In the upcoming videos we'll be learning more about the Python. So hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.